Here's how to fix JavaScript error occurred in the main process. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand menu, select Apps, then click Installed Apps. Now locate Microsoft Visual C++. If you're using Windows 11, you can use the search box at the top to find it more quickly. Look for Microsoft Visual C++ with x64 shown in brackets. Once you've found it, click the three dots next to the application and select Modify. A new window will appear, so click Repair. Windows will now repair the Visual C++ installation. Wait for the process to finish, then check whether the JavaScript error has been resolved. If the error is still appearing and you have Discord installed, Discord could be causing the problem. Open the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and launch it. Use the search box at the top and enter Discord. If you find any Discord-related processes running, right-click each one and select End Task. Once all Discord processes have been closed, you can exit Task Manager. Next, open Settings again. Select Apps from the left side, then go into Installed Apps. Find Discord in the list. If Discord is installed on your computer, click its options and uninstall the application. After uninstalling Discord, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, enter gp_update/force and then press Enter. Wait while Windows updates the computer policy. Once the process has completed, close Command Prompt. Now open the Start menu again and search for Services. Launch the Services application. Scroll through the list until you find Quality Windows Audio Video Experience. Once you locate the service, double-click it to open its properties. Find Startup Type and change it to Automatic. Then check Service Status. If the service isn't running, click Start to launch it. After that, click Apply, select OK, and close the services window. The final step is to reinstall Discord. Go to the official Discord website and download the Discord application again. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After Windows starts back up, launch Discord and check whether the JavaScript error has disappeared. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.